Manoj sir because we don't. Yes, very good morning, students. So, we are discussing the chapter triangles. Triangle is a closed figure bounded by three sides. Okay, it has three vertices, three angles. So, three sides, triangles. Tri means three triangles. You all know the definition of triangles. So, next triangles mainly classified into. So, I need the classification of triangles. Classification of triangles. Aniket, can you tell me the classification of types of triangles? Aniket, types of triangles. Darshan.
Yes, Mataji.
Can you tell me the types of triangles, Darshan?
Isosceles triangle.
Okay, you know the isosceles triangle. Can you define isosceles triangle?
A triangle in which
In which
uh,
two opposite sides are equal, no? That is called as isosceles triangle. The next one is?
Right angle triangle.
Okay, right angle triangle. What is the definition for that right angle triangle?
The triangle in which one angle of a triangle is 90 degree.
Okay, yes, Karthik Hegde there, he gave the answer. Okay, next, which one? Next type. You gave isosceles triangle and right angle triangle, then?
Equilateral triangle.
Okay, equilateral triangle. What is that equilateral triangle?
All sides are equal.
Yes, very good. All sides. Yes. All sides are equal. Next, I'll ask the question for Brahati. Okay, thank you, Darshan. Brahati.
Mataji.
Yes, Darshan gave three types of triangles. Can you give the three more? Isosceles triangle is over, right angle triangle is over, equilateral triangle is over. Only three types are there in triangles.
No, Mataji.
Then can you tell me the second next one?
Scalene triangle.
Yes, very good. Scalene triangle. What is the definition for that scalene triangle, Brahati?
Which has no equal sides.
Okay, all the sides are unequal. Okay, scalene triangle. The next one?
Acute triangle.
Acute angled triangle. What is that acute angled triangle?
It has three angles more than 90 degree.
More than 90 degree? Really?
Alla, Mataji.
Then wake up fast.
All three angles are acute.
In the sense, acute in the sense?
Maji, less
Less
than
than 90 degree, more than 0 degree. Okay. Next one.
Then right angle
A right
triangle.
angle triangle, Darshan gave the answer. Next. What is
Obtuse
that?
triangle.
Obtuse angled triangle. What is that obtuse angle triangle?
It has one angle more than 90 degree.
Yes, very good. One angle more than 90 degree. Yes, thank you, Brahati. So, in the triangles, we can classify. So, the triangles on the basis of two category. One is based on sides. Another one is based on angles. This triangles mainly classified on the basis of two category. So, one is based on sides. We can classify the triangles. Another one is based on angles also we can classify the triangles. So now only we discuss based on sides. So I don't want to take much time for this because you all know this concept. Based on sides, the triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. So equilateral triangle in the sense all the sides of the triangles are equal. Isosceles in the sense only two opposite sides are equal. Scalene triangle is all the sides are unequal. This is about the classification of triangles based on sides. Now come to this side based on angles. So based on angles again triangle is classified into three category, that is One is acute angled triangle, another one is right angled triangle, and third one is obtuse angled triangle. So acute angled triangle, in the sense all the three angles are greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. Okay, acute angle. So you all know the definition of acute angle, no? Next, in right angle triangle, one angle is equal to 90 degree. So then in obtuse angle, one angle is greater than 90 degree. So that is called as obtuse angled triangle. So we can mainly observe these types of triangles, okay, based on sides and based on angles. This is about the basics of the triangles. Next, in a triangle topic, we can observe what we can observe angle sum property of triangle that we discussed in the last year and in 8th standard also. Angle sum property of a triangle. What is that angle sum property of a triangle? So can we ask this question for Mahesh? Mahesh.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, angle sum property of triangles. What is that angle sum property of triangles?
Machi, 180 degree.
180 degree. What is that 180 degree? I need the full statement, Mahesh. Neha?
हाँ माताजी.
Yes. What is that angle sum property of triangle? Define.
If the three angles is
Huh.
equal to the 180 degree.
Yes, sum of the three angles which is equal to 180 degree. Okay, that is called as sum of the interior angles is 180 degree. That is called as angle sum property of triangle. So using this angle sum property of triangle, you have worked out many problems in the previous years, no? So if two angles given, so then how to find out the third angle using the angle sum property of triangles. Next, based on the classification, for example, only one angle is given in the triangle, so they are giving the condition that it is an isosceles triangle, then applying that isosceles triangle property and all, so you can easily find out the unknown angle. So this is about the triangles topic. Then what you learnt extra in triangles topic, so I want to ask that question to, yes, Nitin Shetty. Nitin? Hello, Nitin. Nitin?
Yes, Mataji.
Nitin. Okay, so what extra topic you know about triangles?
Exterior
Triangles
angle.
definition, you got the idea. Then classification of triangles, now only we discussed. Angle sum property of triangles we discussed. What is remaining? What is remaining?
Exterior angle.
Exterior angle of a triangle. Very good, Nitin. What is that exterior angle of triangle? Can you define? What is that exterior angle of a triangle?
Exterior angle, the degree of exterior angle is equal to sum of its opposite angles.
Okay, very good, Nitin. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. This is about the exterior angle of a triangle theorem. Very good. Yes, next we'll go to Kripa. Yes, after the exterior angle of a triangle, what do you know? Kripa.
Similar figures and congruent figures.
Yes, similar figures and congruent figures. Directly Kripa jump to our topic only. Okay, so we will discuss, before going to discuss what is actually our topic, first I want to recall that congruent figures. So can anybody give the definition for congruent figures? Kripa, can you give the definition for congruent figures? Congruent figures I'm asking. Congruent figures.
All the three sides of two triangles are equal.
Okay, you are taking the example of triangle only. I'm asking the congruent figures, Kripa, not triangles or whatever quadrilaterals. Okay, we are asking the congruent figures. Can you define the congruent figures?
the two figures which are same in shape and size.
Very good. I need this answer actually. Congruent figures in the sense the two or more figures. Okay. Two. Comparison beku antandre minimum two objects. Okay. So we need, see, congruent figures in the sense two or more figures having same shape and same size are called as congruent figures. I need the examples for congruent figures. Yes, Nagraj, can you give me examples for congruent figures, Nagraj? Nagraj. Nagraj. Audio off. Neha V. Neha V. Last year we discussed many examples for congruent figures, right? Yes, Neha. Neha V. Preeti.
हाँ माता जी.
Yes, can you give the examples for congruent figures, Preeti?
Circles.
Circles. Circles, only circles. If you give circles, it is wrong.
Radius of a circle.
Radius of a circle. A radius of one circle. All the numbers are equal. That type you are taking. Okay. Next, try to give one more example.
A clock.
Clock. What clock?
Nothing माता जी.
Congruent figures, Preeti. We are discussing congruent figures. Yes, I got the answer from Bhuwana. She is telling that 10 rupees note. Yes, matchbox. Karthik Hegde gave the answer as matchbox of same size and shape. Huh? Okay, passport size photo that we discussed in the last year. No, notebooks of same type. Notebooks. Huh? Yes, size sheet. A4 size sheets. Okay, 1 rupee coins. Yes, next to. Yes. I'm getting the answer from message. Okay. So passport size photo, stamp size photo, A4 sheets. These are all congruent figures. Maths books of 10th class. Yes, of course. So if I collect 62 maths books from you people, then all the math books are called as congruent books. Okay. So congruent figures in the sense that two figures having the same shape and same size are called as congruent figures. Okay, same shape and same size also. So when we overlap the two congruent object, what it looks actually when we overlap? Nikhil Aregde? Yes, Nikhil. First, Nikhil. Where is Nikhil? Nikhil.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Nikhil, when we overlap, okay, so the two congruent object, what happens?
It looks like a single object.
Yes, it looked like a single object because
Coincide.
yes, very good. I need this answer because both the objects coincide each other. So coincident lines you have studied in the last chapter. No, it look like two lines look like only one line. It forms only one line. So when we overlap one object with another congruent figures, okay, congruent object, it look like single object because it coincide each other, coincide condition. It is possible only when they are having the same shape and same size. Okay, so this is about the congruent figures. So what is the similar figures? That already you have got the idea in 7th standard. Similar figures, you have got the definition for similar figures. I want to ask this question for similar figures to Vaishnavi N. Vaishnavi N. Yes, I'm getting the answer here in this side, but I'll not read that one. I got the answer. Sinchana, thank you. Vaishnavi N. Vaishnavi N. She is not talking. Yashaswini.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Yashaswini, can you give the example for similar figures? Not example. First, you give the definition first.
Two objects with same shape, different size.
Very good. Two objects with same shape but having different size, not compulsorily the same size. Okay, so that is called as similar figure. Similar in the sense triangles, two triangles we can take. So similar figures. For examples, so this is one triangle and this one small triangle, chota triangle. So are the figures are similar? Yes, because the two triangles having the same shape. Shape, but they are different in size. These are called as similar figures. Okay, so congruent figures and similar figures. Now we have to compare both. Congruent figures one side, similar figures another side. Now I'll ask two questions. You have to give the answer for that. Say true or false question. Okay, we will do like true or false question. So first statement, listen carefully. I'll ask anybody, okay, be ready. All the congruent figures are similar figures. True or false? Question for Karthik Hegde. Karthik.
Yes, Mataji. True. True.
Karthik?
Mataji, I will think.
Wait. Can I repeat the statement, Karthik?
Yes, Mataji.
All the congruent figures are similar figures. Tell me.
No.
No, na. Congruent ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಹೌದೋ ಅಲ್ವೋ?
Mataji, true.
True alva. Because congruent figures definition is having same shape and same size. Next similar figure definition is having same shape alva. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ನ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ. Of course, congruent figures are similar figures. Okay, na? True statement. Now, the second statement is like this. Okay, all the similar figures are congruent figures. So, Neeraj, all the similar figures are called as congruent figures. Whether it is true or false.
False, Mataji.
Why it is false, Neeraj?
Mataji, they are similar.
They are similar. Why it is not congruent?
Mataji, they should be in same size.
Yes, very good. Similar figures is having the definition of only same shape. But for congruent figures, we need same size and same shape. So that's why all the similar figures are not congruent figures. But all the congruent figures are called as similar figures. You have to keep it in your mind. Okay. All the congruent figures are similar, but all the similar figures are not congruent, because the definition of congruent figures is so having the same shape, figures which is having the same shape and same size, and figures which is having only same shape, that is called as similar figures. Okay, so I want to share the pages for you people. Okay, now look at some examples. This is in your textbook only. Yes. So now you just observe these figures. So in the first example, we have circles. So here we have one circle. Now this is what we call for this first type of circle. So we have circles, collection of circles. So are these called as similar? So first question. Here we have the collection of squares. So this is called as similar figures or what? Congruent figures. Then triangles. Okay, then quadrilateral. So what we have to discuss now? So again, I'll ask the question for, yes, I need, I'll give chance to Pratham Pandit. Yes, Pratham Pandit. Pratham Pandit. Pratham Pandit, first example.
Yes, Mataji.
Similar figures or congruent figures?
Similar figures.
Similar figures. Are the circles are congruent? One or
Yes, ma'am.
yes, which circles?
No.
No. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಹಾ ಹಾ
Yes, similar. All the circles are called as similar, okay, figures. So ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆನ್ಪು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪನ್ನಗ. Pannaga, are you there?
Yes, Mataji.
Ha, Pannaga. What is the second condition? Similar?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. All the squares, can we say that similar?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Because of the same shape, we can say that it is a similar. Next. Shanvi. Shanvi.
Yes, Mataji.
In the third example, can we say these figures are similar figures?
Mataji.
Yes, similar figures, no? Okay. Next, Shri Harsha.
Yes,
Shri Harsha. Yes, last one, quadrilateral. Can we say that ABCD is similar to PQRS?
Ajay, I think no.
Why it is no and no?
Ajay, yes.
Huh?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, sir. Quadrilaterals. Yes or no, Shri Harsha?
I think Mataji shape is little bit different.
Little bit different, so we cannot say easily, right? Sumukh, we'll ask the question for Sumukh. Sumukh?
Yes, Mataji.
Sumukh, can we say that are the ABCD is similar to PQRS?
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದುಂಟು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಶೇಪ್, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೆಕಾಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ?
ಹಾ ಮತಾಜಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ಸಲಕ್ಕೆ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೇಮ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, first we will look at the definition for similar figures, then we'll come back to that example. Okay, so here we have one definition. I took this photograph from the old textbook, okay, 2015 textbook version photograph. So similar figures. So observe the given photographs. You can at once say that they are the photographs of the same building, okay, Vidhana Saudha, but are in different sizes. Are these photographs similar? Discuss. They are asking like this. 1 minute. See, here we have two photographs of same Vidhana Saudha. So can we say that these two are similar? So this is in the big size and this is in the small size, but we can say that these photographs are similar because of the same Vidhana Saudha ne adu photo large ide, idu photo small ide. Okay na? Here in similar figures, size is not a matter, only shape must be same. So now you just observe. Let us consider some similar geometrical figures. First one, two circles are always similar. Now only we just discussed, no? Two circles are always similar. So we can say that two circles are always similar. Next, two squares are always similar. Two squares, two or more squares are always similar. Next, in the third example, two equiangular triangles are always similar. Two equiangular triangles are always similar. Okay, now equiangular. So that there is one condition. Two equiangular triangles are always similar because we need the same shape, no? That's why they are taking the example as two equiangular triangles are always similar. Okay, so now look at these photographs. Okay, so which photograph this one? Soumya?
Taj Mahal.
ತಾಜ್ ಮಹಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ?
Yes. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
Okay, okay, okay. So are these photographs are similar, Soumya?
Yes ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
Yes, are the three photographs of different size, but it is the same photograph having the same shape, no? So that's why we can give this as a similar figures. Okay, I'll go to next page. Now let us come to this part, the geometrical figures. Okay. The geometrical figures on a plane with reference to their shapes and sizes can have three possibilities. What are those possibility? Possibility 1. Look at these three possibilities very carefully. So the figures, first possibility, I am reading the first possibility now. The figures having neither the same shape nor the same size. A square and a rhombus. Okay, square and a rhombus. First case, you just observe the figures having neither the same shape nor the same size. A square and a rhombus. Possibility 2. The figures having the same shape and same size. Two triangles having same measurement. So same measurement. So here you can observe this right angle triangle 90, 40, 50. 90, 40, 50. So what we call for these two types of triangles? Yes, of course, same shape and also same size. So very important thing, this one, same shape and same size. So these are called congruent figures. Next to possibility 3, the figures having the same shape but not the size. The figures having the same shape but not the size. So two equiangular triangle having different measurement. Okay, having different measurement. Very important topic here. So here you just observe, both are equiangular. Both are equiangular. Equiangular in the sense angles must be, one triangle angles must be equal to another triangle's angles. Here you just observe 100 degree, 100 degree, 50 degree, 50 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree. Can we say that these two are congruent figures? No, because this triangle is bigger. Here the scale is different. Here the scale is different. So it is equiangular. But here the measurement, so this sides measurement are different. So here only same shape we can take but not a size. Here you just observe same shape and same size. Angles are same. Here also angles are same, but the triangles are differ in their size. That's why. So this is called as similar figures. So this is called as similar figures. Got the idea, no? Similar figures. Equiangular idru kuda ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we cannot take these two triangles as congruent triangle. So now come to possibility 1. Can we say that these two figures are congruent? No, congruent chance ಇಲ್ಲ. Similar chance ಇಲ್ಲ, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, shape differ. Okay na, difference in shape. So that's why this is the possibility 1. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ apply ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, congruent or similar. In possibility 2, this is congruent figures. Okay, in possibility 3, this is similar figures. So here they have given something like congruent similarity relation also plays a very important role in geometry. So even in our daily life, concept of similarity is used very widely. For example, the maps used in geography are based on the concept of similarity. Okay, models are made before constructing big buildings which are similar. Yes, ಸಿಮಿಲಾರಿಟಿಯನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್. Two triangles having the same shape and same size are congruent triangles. So now in this class we are going to learn about the similar triangles. That is, first, before going to understand the similar triangles, so now we discussed actually similar figures which have the same shape and not necessarily the same size. Very important point here we have to note. So same shape, same size. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ same shape, same size ಇದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು similar ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ that figures are called as similar figures. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, figures which have the same shape and not necessarily the same size, in the sense it may be same size, not a problem. So that we discussed two statements, true or false statement. All the congruent figures are similar figures, but all the similar figures are not congruent. See, meeting will end for participants in 5 minutes. Okay, so there is a warning, but don't go anywhere. I want to continue for further 15 minutes. If the meeting is ending, no, so ended, no, then you have to join with the same link. Is that clear? Okay, next we'll move on to next page. So this is in your textbook part actually. So textbook part, so this one textbook part we will discuss one by one. We will end up for this. Okay, so in the textbook they have given something. What is that? Actually activity. So they have given one activity. After this class you just open your textbook and you just go through that activity. So what is that activity? We will discuss now. Place a lighted bulb at a point O on the ceiling. Here they have mentioned point O, so we have to put one bulb there. Okay, so and directly below it in a table in your classroom. Let us cut a polygon, say a quadrilateral ABCD. Here you are observing, no? So ABCD quadrilateral from a plain cardboard and place this cardboard parallel to the ground. So we have to place the cardboard parallel to the ground. Okay, so between the lighted bulb and the table, if the photo is not visible, no, whatever we are sharing, so you can open your textbook. Okay, it is in your textbook part only. See, next, parallel to the ground between the lighted bulb on the table. So next, then a shadow of ABCD is cast on the table. Mark the outline of this shadow A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲೈಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಲೈಟ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೀಳೋ ತರ ಒಂದು ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ABCD ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು, ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ABCD ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ನ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಲೈಟ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆಗಿ ABCD ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅದರ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ಆ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ ಅನ್ನ A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ABCD is actual quadrilateral. Shadow of the ABCD is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Is that clear? So note that the quadrilateral A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash is an enlargement of the quadrilateral ABCD. So enlargement of the quadrilateral, enlarge meaning ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ABCD ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದರ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಇದು ಲೈಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. This is because of the property of light, that light propagates in a straight line. You may also note that A dash lies on a line, ray lies on a ray OA. So OA, are you observing? OA ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಈ OA. ಸೊ ಈ A dash ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಲೈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ರೇ OA. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, A ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದು, O ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದು. OA ಮೇಲೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೇನೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ A dash. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ತರ B dash ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ OB ಮೇಲೆ, C dash OC ಮೇಲೆ, D dash OD ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ಸ್ A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, okay, and ABCD are of the same shape but of different sizes. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and ABCD are of same shape but different sizes. Okay, so shape ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದೇ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ ನೆರಳು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೇಮ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ size. Okay, so next, so quadrilateral A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash is similar to quadrilateral ABCD. We can also say that quadrilateral ABCD is similar to the quadrilateral A dash B dash C dash D dash. Okay, now this is the very important topic. Next paragraph, I'll jump to next paragraph. Here it is actual our topic. Here you can also note that vertex A dash corresponds to vertex A. Corresponding angles, corresponding sides, corresponding next what vertices ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, corresponds